I hate periods. Why do girls have to suffer? For something so natural. You pay for tampons? Seriously? I hate periods.
Why am I so ugly? Why am I so ugly? Like, why am I so ugly? Why do no girls talk to me? Like, why? Why don't they talk to me? Is this thing on? Can y'all not hear me?
Hey. When I say hawk, you say Tua. Hawk. Yo, am I muted or what? Hey, hawk. Hey, tough crowd.
Friday? More like fry. Yay! Yay! More like fry. Yay! Yay! I'm so ugly. Dang, I'm so ugly, dude.
Parallel? No, they're not the same slogan. Are they
So ugly.
Yeah, they're negative reciprocal.
Am I muted? Mic check.